We're going to do an entrance. Guys, we got another box. Honey Nut Cheerios Minis. What? What? Dude, oh, what? Okay. They got mini Lucky Charms, mini Reese's Puffs, Cocoa Puffs, Cinnamon Toast Crunch, Trix, and mini Honey Nut Cheerios. Dude, General Mills, man. They're going a little crazy. This is the family size box. We got 14 servings per box. And I was wondering, since they're smaller, if there's more servings in this family size box than another normal Cheerios box. And they're the exact same. They're the exact same. You know, all of these cereals are impulse buys. I don't plan on making these videos. I really don't. I go to the store and I'm, you know, going down the aisles and I see all these weird food options. Just a little different. And I'm like, maybe I should make a video about that. And here we are. Today I saw it was either the minis or it was the Cheerios mango peach flavor. That seemed a little weird, so we went with these. But anyway, well, let's get started here. Hope you guys' week is going good. Oh, they're so cute. Look at this. You know, they're not as small. They're pretty small. Like, that whole spoonful is going to be completely full. Man, heaven forbid if you actually spill these, though. If you accidentally tip the box over. Alright. You know, I think this is going to be a short video because I can't... They're going to taste the same, right? Unless the ratio between the actual Cheerio and the coating they spray on top of it is different. That could be. Kind of like how the Reese's chocolate peanut butter cups, not the cereal, just the normal candy. You know, like you get the big ones versus the small ones, like the ratio chocolate peanut butter is a little different. So, I don't know. We'll see. They smell the same. Ooh. The texture's different. They melt in your mouth more. I like that. I wonder if they get soggy quicker, though. Wow. You can get a ton on that spoon. Look at that. Wow. Let's not go crazy here, though. That's really interesting. It's a lot more airy texture to it. I don't know about you, but when I eat cereal, I'll get a spoonful with milk and everything, and then I put it in my mouth, and then I kind of almost squeeze the milk out of the cereal, swallow the milk, then chew the cereal. And with these, you can really squeeze all the milk out. I like that. I'm really curious on how the Lucky Charms Cinnamon Toast Crunch would taste. The other cereals I don't care about. Those are garbage. Don't even bother. But yeah, that's kind of fun. Tastes the same. Texture's different though. It's almost like I'm biting into like a I don't know, they're easy. They're just easier to eat. Don't take as much chewing power, you know? Yeah. And man, you can load that spoon up with so many of them. I probably got like 50 Cheerios on that spoon. That's good. That's really good. Definitely buying that again. Way better than the normal ones. So, anyway. My camera's about to die. Battery's low, so. Anyway, have a good one. And drop other cereals, other foods you want me to review in the comments below. Like, share, subscribe. And we'll see you in the next one.